All right, guys, let's go ahead and solve the angle for this right triangle. So to start out, we have an unknown angle, we have an adjacent and a hypotenuse. That's going to give us cosine. Now we also have to figure out the square root of 3. So let's start there. So if we look at that A scale, that's going to be the scale that shows you anything on C and D squared. So if we just do that in reverse, we can get square roots down on C and D. So I will go to 3 on A, and then if I look down on the D scale, that's going to give me 1.732. Cosine of x equals adjacent 1.732 over hypotenuse 2. So now we want x by itself, so we'll do an inverse operation. X equals inverse operation of cosine 1.732 over 2. So we've already got our slide set to 1.732, and we want to divide by 2, so I'm just going to slide 2 on the C scale over the top of that. Then I want to slide down to the right index to get my answer, and that'll give me 0.866. Now this is an inverse operation, so all we do is slide the rule back to its normal setting, and I want to flip over to the trigonometry scales, and if we look at the cosine scale, that's going to be those green numbers from right to left, and that'll give us 30 degrees. So x equals 30 degrees. Now if we want to double check that, inverse operation of cosine 1.732 over 2, that'll give us 30. And that's how you solve that triangle using the slide rule.